No, this isn't permanent. This is just for mocking up.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Hey everybody.
We're shifting gears here onto mini bikes instead of vans.
Yeah.
We're about to crunch time.
It's getting to be that time of the year, yeah.
It's that time of year. Spring has sprung. Fall spring has sprung. Second winter's coming again. But
yeah. First spring is almost over.
what we're gonna do here is prepare our race bikes for the race this spring, later this spring. If you're familiar at all with the channel here, if you've viewed our earlier episodes on this mini bike here, it's a 420cc Duramax. And last year when Eli was running her, she was slipping the clutch. We got a little, it's got a hot tune. We bumped the timing up a little bit in her. It run the gas, the good gas we run in there. So she's putting out a little more than stock. Not much, just a hot tune. There's no, pretty mild. But anyway, so what we did here was we got a big ass clutch. Kind of spent a lot on that, but if you can't get your power to the ground, ain't no point in having the power. So we had to figure out how the hell we're gonna get this to work. And so what we're going to do here is, I don't know if you can zoom on that yet, or Eli, or yeah, Eli's got us zoomed in here.
Ooh.
This is the jack shaft that comes from the torque converter that has to propel this rear wheel. And as you can see, the sprocket is on the other side of this wheel. So we're limited on our options here as to how to get that powered. So what we thought about was extending this, making a new jack shaft, and then gearing her over here 1-to-1. But now that I'm looking at it, what happens if we're going to stay with the original plan? Just cut out that part where I talked about this other stuff, or don't. I don't care. Yeah, that's right. We can't just power that because that just powers a jack shaft.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because then we.
That's why we weren't going to do that.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're just going to continue on. So basically, I'm going to find a piece of pipe, probably heavy wall or something, machine to the surface of that bearing. We'll cut a piece of 3/4 cold rolled, or I got stress proof over there too, probably machine the, what do you call them things there that locks it? The key. We're going to machine a keyway. Yeah. Oh, this was that long because it's stuck on the other side there. And then it's kind of handy too. You're going to end up with on this side here, be able to fine tune your ratios.
Yeah, on the jack shafts versus changing a rear sprocket.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We also have a new rear sprocket. We're changing everything to 40 chain because she's kind of a big dog. We got to get a big chain because I've seen that son of a bitch spit 35 chain right out of it. Yeah, that son of a bitch take 35 gold and just spit the shit right on the ground. Seen it happen. Blew the frickin' guard off of it. That sucker come around there like a goddamn mace. Like a knight's mace. Like an old-timey mace, not like the ones you spray, but the ones that would smash you. Like the knights and days. Yeah, it was violent. It was a violent explosion. I don't know if you put it down, but I remember, yeah, it did lock up. I was watching it go away. And it was like, boom. Just like that. Boom. Ow. Yeah. Lucky nobody was killed. These sons of bitches are dangerous. Dangerous as hell.
Oh, that was gasoline.
Mother's worry. My grandma said they should be outlawed.
Which one? Our grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
Well, that spinning thing on the side there, they ought to outlaw that. I said, Grandma. No. You got 2 legs. You can always get robot legs. I turned it on briefly, but then I remembered I didn't have my striker. Now I do. You ready?
Close to the camera. Yeah, sure.
Oh! Well, I'm concerned for that bearing safety, so I'm gonna remove it right quick. Yeah, this here MiniBike, it's quite the machine. She took home gold in, what year was that? 23? 24? 2024. Then 5, I took second. She's pushing about 18,000 horsepower, nitromethane, dual turbos.
12 main,
I said 22,000 RPM.
Yeah, it's,
one piece rear main,
it is rated at about, 22,000 RPM motor.
got 205 head,
It did, it put down 342 horsepower at the wheel,
410
at the flywheel.
foot-pounds of torque, 36-to-1 compression.
Got your pop-up piston, double pumper, we're talking some major f***ing power.
Got the big fuel line, take it around the track a couple more times.
Yeah, R.I.P. Have a moment of silence for old Harry Hog. Harry Hog. Rubbing his racing. Whoa! Well, got that welded pretty good, didn't they? Yep. I want you to go out and hit the pace car. You hit every other damn thing out on the track. I want you to be perfect. Hit the pace car? Hit the pace car.
I got this on right. I dropped it. I can't remember which way it was.
Yeah.
That's the right way. Okay. Oh. Brake mount, huh?
Yeah, damn brakes are in the way. They just slow you down anyway.
There it is. It's all fine.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. The inside.
Oop, got her. Yeah, see?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yep, f***ed it up. It's all right, it's just a dust cover. Be all right, we'll put that side in. Put that side in, it'll be fine. I'm just cutting a taper for the weld. We're trying. Not really a lathe that cuts a taper here. Kind of an antique.
a higher carbon content.
Move your finger. Move your hand. It's not a silent film.
And if you're feeling it.
It's been straight and flat. It's straight and flat. Yeah, I mean, you can.
Just a triple check out. Looks like she's welding nice now.
Yeah, it's nice to have gas. Good now. Oh, maybe. See that? It's on, right?
Yeah. No?
On the new shaft versus running one of them spacesuit collars.
To do a new shaft.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. The driver, the driven. So we have to mill a keyway on this bottom one.
Yep. And drill and tap top.
Yep. Oh boy. Drill and tap the bottom too.
Yes. Especially.
tuning in. Did you see our shafts? I hope so. We worked hard on them.
Next week.
Next week we're gonna be riding it for sure.
Yeah.
Just come back.
Yep. Thanks
Get
for
mine
tuning
back
in.
out, and you'll have to get your tire fixed.
Yeah, I'll get my tire fixed and chain back on and steal my gas cap off my other mini bike.
Put them through the mud. Maybe it'll be warm.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Ride them in the snow again. See you next week.
Pretty close.
Yeah. See you next week.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for tuning in.